Hello everyone, happy weekend. I hope you had a great week. So we just ended the second week of the month of January for year 26. So we give thanks to the Lord for the week, for his blessings, his protections for our families and our lives. And we commit the new week into his hands. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video and see what news events affected price for the second week. And what news events are we looking out for the third week of the month? So this is 12th to 16th, right? So Monday there was so I added JPY. So JPY is a Japanese yen. So we had the yen bank holiday on Monday. Then Tuesday we have news on USD, the main news for the week, CPI. Then Wednesday we have news on USD as well, PPI and retail sales. And Thursday we have news on pound and news on USD. Then Friday we also have news on pound as well. Governor Bailey speaks. So for the new week, what are we expecting? For the new week, Monday we have USD bank holiday. Then Tuesday we have news on pound, and Wednesday we have news on pound as well, and we also have news on USD. So we have news on USD on Thursday. Then Friday we have a whole lot of news on the Japanese yen, on the pound, on the euro and the USD. So this week kind of be crazy for the markets. So these are the news events for the second week of the month, for the month of January, right? 12th to 16th. So let's hop into the charts and see how these news events affected price. What did CPI and do with the dollar, right? Excuse me. So this is the dollar. This is the dollar index. So this chart represents how the dollar is doing, right? So if we're going down, means the dollar is losing value, right? The dollar is bearish. And if we're going up, means the dollar is what? The dollar is bullish. So so for the second week of the month, right? So this is the second week of the month, this candle. Monday, so this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. So the dollar struggled to go higher, but still went higher for the second week of the month, right? So this fair value gap I was watching for the previous video from the previous week that just ended, and this fair value gap was used as what? Support to go higher, right? So now for the new week, what am I expecting? I'm expecting this fair value gap, this weekly fair value gap here to, hold price for higher prices. So previous month's high has been taken. So I'm watching to see if the dollar would, reach into all these highs. So I'll be maintaining my bullish stance on the dollar for the week. So we'll see what they'll do for the third week of the month. Euro USD. So since the dollar is going up, you want to see euro go lower. So this is Euro USD, euro coupled with the dollar, right? So this chart represents euro and the dollar. So if the dollar is going up, you want to see the Euro USD go lower. And if the dollar is going lower, you want to see Euro USD go higher. So Euro USD has been bearish for the second week of the month, for the month of January, right? And Euro USD has taken out its previous month high, as you see the dollar take out its previous month's high. Euro USD has taken out its previous month's low. Excuse me. So for the pound, for euro has taken its previous month's low, and we'll see how price trades lower for the week. So this is Monday, this Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday, and this is Friday. So Monday trades higher, this fair value gap, this candles low and this candles high. So this fair value gap held price. You can see price refusing to close above its midpoint, right? And that's a signature for what? Bearish price action, right? So we see Tuesday rejects this fair value gap, acting as what? Resistance, right? So we see Wednesday trades up into the fair value gap once more. Then we see Thursday expands lower and Friday expands lower. So for the new week, I want to see if this previous month's low will act as what? Resistance to go lower. Then if the dollar is reaching its highs, I want to see euro reach these lows. So that's about that for the euro. Excuse me. So this is pound. So pound had a really a bearish week as well. Since the dollar is going higher, I want to see pound as well go lower. So the pound found resistance at this fair value gap. We see Monday trade higher. You see Tuesday found resistance at this fair value gap. Then we see Wednesday try to trade higher. Then Thursday expands lower. Then Friday closes inside this weekly fair value gap. So what I'm watching for the pound, I want to see this fair value gap act as resistance to go lower. Then maybe we'll reach into this fair value gap, then all these lows. So I'm pretty bearish on the pound since the dollar is going higher. So let's operate into, let's see what gold did for the week. Gold. Okay. So this is gold. Gold maintained its bullish price action for the week, regardless of the dollar being bullish. So we see gold make a new all-time high. So this is Monday. Monday takes out the old all-time high for gold, right? Then we'll see Tuesday consolidates, Wednesday tries to go higher, Thursday goes lower, then Friday finally goes lower, retesting the all-time high. So I want to see if gold, have a bounce from this all-time high, this previous all-time high, to go higher. So if gold want to continue its bullish price action has been doing for months, so I want to see continuation. There may be a fair value gap, or there's a fair value gap right here. So this fair value gap will hold. I want to see this all-time high being acting like a support to go higher on gold. So let's talk about silver, right? So this is silver, and we see silver has been trading higher despite the dollar trading higher for the week. So we see silver trade higher as well. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and this is Thursday, and this is Friday. So we see silver trade higher as well. So what I'm watching for silver is if silver wants to retest its all-time high as gold did. So silver has not retested its all-time high since Monday took out the all-time high. So if silver wants to retest the all-time high, I'll see a continuation. That'll be good. So there's a fair value gap close to its all-time high, so like a retracement and a continuation on silver, right? So let's see what Bitcoin did for the week. So Bitcoin has been trying to break out of this whole consolidation, right? So we see Bitcoin trading into this weekly fair value gap with this is Monday. So we see this fair value gap hold, price retraces into the fair value gap. We see a bounce and expansion higher. So I want to see a retracement and an expansion higher again. So if Bitcoin wants to go higher, I want to see this fair value gap hold. But if Bitcoin wants to crash, I want to see this fair value gap fail. So if this fair value gap hold, I want to see this one be used as what? Support to go higher. Something like this. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So I want to see if this fair value gap will hold. So I want to see if this fair value gap will hold for Bitcoin, right? So as you can see, Bitcoin has been dropping crazy for the past few months. So we're trying to, if we can break this whole downtrend we've been in on Bitcoin. So that'll be that for the video. Damn. Have a great week. Have a great weekend, everyone. Have a great week ahead of you. So thank you for your time. If you're able to stay for the end of the video, and God bless you.